Now coming to the question number 10. Uh, just a second. So we will solve now question number 10, question number 6. Sorry. They've asked that discuss the opportunities and challenges of India's insurance sector, how the insurance sector reforms can resolve these challenges. So opportunities and challenges of India's insurance sector is the first question. How insurance sector reforms can resolve these challenges? Okay, so to solve this question, uh, let's start. Let's begin. So India's insurance sector has been significant growth over the past decade, with increased penetration of and awareness of insurance products. So insurance sector is facing significant growth. Okay. However, the sector still faces several challenges that need to be addressed to unlock its full potential. In this response, now we will discuss the opportunities and challenges of India's insurance sector and how reforms can help to address this challenge. Okay, so let's at first let's discuss about the opportunities of the insurance sector. So it has large market. First point should the opportunity of insurance market is of definitely India is a large market to make business because India's population is about 1.3 billion present, a massive potential market for insurance products definitely. Second opportunity is low penetration. Low penetration. So despite the growth in recent years, insurance penetration in India remains low compared to other countries. Okay, so this is the trend. So this presents a significant opportunities for insurance companies to expand their customer base. Definitely, the third point will be the favorable demographics. So the third point will be favorable demographics. Okay, so India's young population is likely to drive demand for insurance products because we know that we are already getting the demographic dividend. So particularly in areas such as health insurance and life insurance, there is a huge scope and opportunity for this insurance sector to expand their business. And the fourth point can be regulatory support. Regulatory support. So the Indian government has been supportive of the insurance sector, introducing several reforms in recent years to improve the regulatory framework and promote the growth. Okay. Now we will discuss about the challenges faced by insurance sector in India. Okay. So challenges. The first point will be low insurance awareness. Okay, so a significant portion of the population in India still lacks awareness of the benefits of insurance, leading to low demand. The second point will be inadequate distribution channels. Inadequate distribution channels. So, because insurance companies face challenges in reaching potential customer, particularly in rural areas, they can't reach. So they face various in this sector. In this way, they face challenge to it in their they face obstacle while expanding their business. And third will be the lack of trust. So many Indians still view insurance with skepticism and there is a general lack of trust in insurance company because all of they don't believe entirely the this insurance and policy things. So and other is and the fourth point, the fourth challenge that is faced by the insurance sector will be the underwriting losses. Underwriting losses. Because some segments of the insurance industry, such as health insurance, face challenges with underwriting losses, leading to difficulties in sustaining operations. Reforms to address challenges. So, these underwriting losses will be very much important factor. That is the basic major challenge that is faced by this insurance company. Now we will go to the reform part. In the reform part, the question is three part. The question three part. First part was they've asked about the challenge, then how the insurance sector reform can resolve this challenge. So reform. So we have discussed about the opportunities and losses faced by and challenges faced by this insurance sector. Now we will discuss about the reforms. That which kind of reforms the insurance sector can take. So first is increasing awareness. Okay, so the government can promote awareness of insurance through public campaigns and collaborations with insurance companies. This is the reforms. This reform can be taken by the companies. Second is the expanding distribution channels. Expanding distribution channels. Why? Because the government can support the development of new distribution channels such as micro insurance and digital platforms to reach underserved areas. Okay, and the third point can be building trust. Building trust. So insurance companies can improve transparency and customer service to build trust with customers. And the fourth part can be improving underwriting practices. So the fourth part can be improving underwriting practices. That means the government can work with insurance companies to improve underwriting practices, particularly in areas such as health insurance. So health insurance is very much emerging in India because of the demography and the population. So let's conclude this question, the answer of this question. So in conclusion, you can say that India's insurance sector presents significant opportunities for growth, but it also faces several challenges, definitely. By addressing these challenges through reforms, such as improving awareness, expanding distribution channels, building trust, and also improving the underwriting practices, the insurance sector in India can unlock its full potential and provide valuable protection to large population. So this is the basic. This is the answer of this question. At first we have discussed about the opportunities, the key points of opportunities. Then we have discussed about the challenge, and then reforms in insurance sector. So this is the end solution of this question. Thank you.